Hey you all, welcome to this video where I will help you out how to place a limit order right here on Quantower. And if you want to do this, we go left in the top and then we select right here at the trading option order entry. Then right here, you can select right here your order type, and this is exactly the place where you need to be if you want to create yourself a limit order. So right now we click here on order type and select right here limit. So now we are having a limit order. Then you can select right here the time in force. So good till cancel, day, good till date, or fill or kill. Decide what you want to do. Select right here with how many lots you want to step in. Select here the price. And then if you scroll down, you can decide right here if you want to put a stop loss or a take profit on it. And then after that, click here on placing strategy. So decide which one you want to use. And then after that, just click right here on place order. Yes. And then you can create yourselves the order right here on the chart. So this is how you can place a limit order right here on Quantower. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. If you don't have an account on Quantower yet, please check out the link in my description where you can create very easily an account by yourself and you're supporting the channel. So for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.